Namaste, and welcome to a place where every milestone becomes a new beginning. Welcome to Eastern River Residency, at the heart of Pimple Saudagar. Structural work for D and C wings is fully completed. Brickwork is progressing swiftly, with elevator shafts also in place. From foundation to rooftop, every detail here is shaped with care, engineered to elevate lifestyles, not just build homes. A 3-acre canvas of elegance, featuring 50-plus lifestyle amenities, from a serene meditation zone to an energetic sports deck, all crafted for every generation. Each home features grand facade windows, cross-ventilation balconies, and layouts designed for abundant natural light and flow. With over 35 years of trust and excellence, Garva Group brings you Eastern River Residency, a promise of elite living. Book your dream today and rise with us.